health mo dito training with the national
Syempre
team?
so far, still trying to be at my 100%. Hindi ko make sure na 100% ako, but gusto kong i-make sure sa lahat na I'm still trying to recover and to go back sa katawan ko dati.
Angel, since bata ka pa siguro, you've been playing na for so long at a high level. Nasa radar mo na ba talaga kumbaga yung national team one day? And in-expect mo ba siya this early din in your career?
Yes. Kasi yung father ko nga, national team na talaga siya. So gusto niya talaga at my early age, gusto niya ma-experience ko yung national team. Kasi it's a very different experience. Yung hindi kagaya ng maglalaro ka sa isang school. Yung kapag national team kasi, there's that pride of you being a Filipina, and then there's that pride of you bringing all the Filipinos. So heavy duty siya, pero you're happy because dala-dala mo sa likod mo yung mga tao. And then yun lagi sinasabi ni Papa sa akin, kasi national team is not just to join para nasa national team ka lang. You have the responsibility. And actually, nung bata pa lang po ako, tinatry talaga ni Papa ko na mag-join ako sa national team, kagaya ng ASEAN, yung C-Select. And then, ngayon, thankful talaga ako na nasa national team ako, and hopefully tuloy-tuloy ko na nasa national team.
And last, if meron sigurong key lesson from Coach Ramil na dadalin mo in your international stint with the national team, ano siguro yun?
Yung key lesson na from Coach Ramil siguro is that discipline is everywhere. Yung respect is everywhere. So you have to bring that, kasi you're bringing your own. You're not only bringing your own, but you're bringing the school and also yung Philippine flag. So kung kahit saan ka pumunta, you have to have that discipline and you have to have that respect.